We brought gloves, a speaker, an umbrella, a bucket. That is also a sun visor, and then in there, snacks and drinks. And we brought a lot of water in the wagon. You really want to find like a clay peanut butter texture. There's definitely something right here. I see a little one.
Broke a crystal right out of there.
Sweet. Look what I just found.
What's a, ooh, that's a good one, baby.
I think I found something good.
Good?
Whoa, yeah, I did.
You're looking in a good spot, babies.
Look. Look, sweetie. Cool.
I think I'm digging through some old stuff.
Awesome.
Ooh, feels like a cluster in there.
What a silly guy.